Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to insert checkbox in Apple Pages on Mac. So I'm going to open my notes here. Let's say, let me just pull it down. Yeah. Let's say that I'm going to say that I'm going, or let me just add all this, yeah, going to the gym, correct? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit here the checklist, right away here, right? Let's say I did that. So I'm going to just hit the check mark and enable sorting here, right? Add enter or press enter, excuse me, and just say shower and add the check mark after you're done, right? So basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you. Hi, welcome.